Hi class, my name is Specialist Dean. Today I'm going to be giving a class on how to measure distance on a map. Before we can start, I'm going to do a risk assessment. The risk assessment for today is going to be low. Also, before we begin the class, I'm going to go ahead and talk about the conditions and standards of this class. The conditions are going to be: you are a member of a squad or team in a field environment and have been directed to determine the distance between two known points. You have a 1 in 50 scale map, a strip of paper with a straight edge, and a pencil. You have been shown the beginning and ending points on the map. The standards are going to be: determine the straight line distance between 2 points with no more than a 5% error, and the road distance between 2 points with no more than a 10% error. Alright, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and begin our class. I'm going to go ahead and pass out some pieces of paper for you all. Okay, and I'm going to also pass out the maps and some pencils. So here's your map, here's a piece of paper, and there's a pencil. Map. You're welcome. Okay. Alright, so to begin this class, at the bottom of your map, there will always be a little key. Do you all see the little key? It's kind of like a little box. It's a little bar scale box. So down there, for our map right here, it says 1,500, 0, and 1,000 again. And that's to help us measure the distance between our 2 points that we're going to use today. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and put up 2 points. Okay, so let's do 0, 7, and 87. Okay, and let's do also 0, 6, and 86. Okay, so we're going to measure those 2 points. So when you're putting your paper up to line it up, you want to make sure it is straight under both points, and then you're going to draw you a tick mark exactly where that point is, okay? And at that point, you're going to take it to the bottom of that scale, okay? From there, let's see, this is how you're going to measure it. Look right here. So yes. So from that point, you're going to take it from here to here, and we're going to add that up, and you're going to get 1,500. So the distance from point A to point B was 1,500 meters. Correct. All right, so next, what we're going to do is I'm going to give you all a little assessment to see how well you know it or if I need to reteach anything. All right, let's just do a few points. Let's do 0, 9, and 87. Let's also do 10 and 89. And then let's do one more point. Let's also do 10 and 87 as well. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and at that point, you can erase the other tick marks that you had from those other points. So this is going to be point A, this is going to be point B, and then point C. So what we're going to measure is how far is it from point A to point B, from point B to point C, and from point C to point A. Okay? So you all go ahead and start trying to measure it out. I'm going to go ahead and measure mine myself and go ahead and get the answer. And I'm going to walk around and look at you all's paper and see how well you did. And from there, I will let you know if you need to fix anything or if there's anything else I can help you with, really. All right. Okay. Okay. Let me look at you all's paper and see what you got. Okay, good job. All right, so it looks like we're not going to have any retrains. Everybody did very, very good. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and go over the points in case you all missed anything, which you didn't, but just in case. So what I got was from point A to B, I got 1,500 meters. From point B to C, I got 1,600 meters. And from point C to A, I got 500 meters, which everybody got that correct. Okay. Let me go ask your instructor, is there anything else he needs from you all for the day? All right. Your instructor said that you all are good to go for the rest of the day, but before you all go, I need my maps and my pencils back, and throw that little sheet of paper, you all can throw that away that I gave you. Thank you. All right. All right. Looks like I got everything back. Okay. So before we go, I'm going to do an AAR. Well, before we can do the AAR, I'm going to do a risk assessment. Like I said before, the risk assessment was low. And for the AAR, what are some sustains and improves? What can I do better to help you all or to help the next class that I teach? Okay. Okay. I can talk a little bit louder. Okay. Great. All right. Thank you all for the feedback. Let me check your areas before I actually release you. All right. It looks like everything is clean. You all are good and dismissed for the rest of the day. And this class is now closed for the rest of the day. Thank you all and have a good rest of your day.